Hey there, the weekend is here and it's the perfect time to do some knitting. Let's get going with the Electric Fairy shawl. In the last video I showed you how to get started, and in this video I've made a checklist because we're going to grow the piece from 21 stitches in a row to 113 stitches. So here we go. We've just finished on a right side row. There are 21 stitches in the row. Now we're going to work the wrong side, increase at the beginning of the row with a yarn over and at the end of the row with a yarn over, and that will give us 23 stitches altogether. When we move to the right side row, we're going to be increasing by 4 stitches, both with a yarn over at the beginning and end of the row, and with 2 more yarn overs, one on either side of the center stitch. So every wrong side row will increase by 2, every right side row will increase by 4 more, so on and so forth until we've gotten all the way to 113 stitches. And the last row is a wrong side row. We should have 113 stitches on the needle before moving on to the next section. Beginning with the wrong side row, you work 5 stitches in 1 by 1 rib. So on the wrong side row you purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Now here's the first increase. It's a yarn over and purl to the first marker. Slip the marker and knit the center stitch. Slip the next marker and purl to the last 5 stitches. Yarn over again and work the last 5 stitches in 1 by 1 rib. We should have 23 stitches. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12 is the center stitch, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Nice. And here is a right side row. We're going to be increasing by 4. 5 stitches in 1 by 1 rib, starting with a knit. Knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, yarn over, knit to the first marker, slip the marker, yarn over, knit the middle stitch, yarn over again, slip the second marker, knit to the last 5 stitches, yarn over, and work the last 5 stitches in 1 by 1 rib. Double check that you have 27 stitches, and you can check it off on your handy dandy checklist. At this point I'm going to remove the markers. I don't really need them anymore, but you can keep them on as long as you like, and I will see you when you have 113 stitches on your needle. To see our Electric Fairy shawl kit and all of our knitting and crochet kits for sale, be sure to visit kariskits.com. You can also sign up there for a 20% discount code, good on everything in our store, and it never expires. I'll see you next time when we work the lace pattern on the electric fairy shawl. Bye for now.